Hi, this is Vikram, iOS development team. Um, I have learned a concept about machine learning and implemented in an app in different manner than usual. The concept is like usually every app needs a user touch for the functionality of app. What I did is if a user commands with his words and the app is going to work based on his commands and the app is going to speak to the user. So it's a mutual discussion between the user and an app. So it's a different functionality like if you want to go navigate a page, like if you want to go to the next page. If you command the app, it just goes to the next page without the user touch. To now I have done in English language and I have been studying how to do in different other languages too, different international languages like French and German, even to Hindi. Uh, to now I have completed a project. So I'm going to explain what's the functionality of the project, which is going to come in the next episode now. The functionality of the project is like the concept which I took is there would be thousands of resumes in Naukri or any other employee updating their resumes for companies. So, as a HR of the company, he can shortlist the resumes within seconds of duration. Like if there are 1,000 resumes with different languages specifying like iOS, Android, full stack, Python, PHP, Angular, and different. If the HR is going to say like a shortlist full stack language, it's going to shortlist all the full stack languages resumes in a fraction of seconds without any user touch. And if the next command is use, he can do like shortlist the employees with 1 year experience. Again, it's going to shortlist with the full stack developers with 1 year experience. And he can do the voice command like shortlist the employees with the notice period of 5 days. So again, it's going to be shortlisted with the 5 days notice period. It's all works with the voice commands itself. Nothing is going to be the user touch. And even the app speaks like once you shortlist the employee details with voice command of language full stack, it's going to reply you like you can shortlist the candidates with naming the experience. This is the process which I have developed in the app with the mutual discussion between the app and the user. And there is a second video attached to this. It's like if an employee updates his resume, he thought to update his resume to a employee details database like Naukri. He can shortlist the companies like if Microsoft, Google, Apple, or everyone has different languages in their companies, right? If the openings is being given like the openings for iOS, openings for Android. So if the employee has to search which company has the openings to his language, he can just specify the language like shortlist the companies which have openings for iOS language. It's going to shortlist within a fraction of seconds in many thousands of like details throughout the world. And he can even shortlist with the experience required for the company. And the same way notice period, he can shortlist with the notice period. And here, coming to here, even HR and an employee can say that hire or apply. If we say command hire or apply, it's just going to navigate to the next page and give the details of the employee or a company. If the employees say apply to this company, it just navigates to the next page. If we say the voice command details, it's going to read like machine is going to speak the total details of the company. And if the employee is interested to apply to the company, is interested to apply to the company, he can say like apply confirm and mail. If you just say the command mail, the machine is going to send the mail to the company that the candidate is interested automatically without user touch. And the same way to the HR. The HR wants to read the employee details. If HR say the voice command, read the details of the employee, the machine is going to say the complete details of the employee, what the employee has written in his resume. And if the HR is interested to hire the candidate, hire and say that mail to this employee, the Skype ID will be mailed automatically by the machine. And this is the whole process which I have done with machine learning algorithm. So we can add a tagline to this total set of project like a machine learning app development. It's a like a tag to the app development, like machine learning app development. It's a totally different terminology I'm using now, but it's going to be real and awesome. Like I did not heard to my till now, to my knowledge, there is a totally machine learning app development concept app in the app store. So I'm just going to show the couple of videos of the total app. The app functionality is going to be like the set of flow chart here. I'll just get it here. Machine learning app development, here there will be a machine algorithm. If the user voice is given, the machine algorithm analyzes whether the words is being matched to the user voice. If once the speech recognition is converted to text, then the search option starts to search the text in the algorithm whether it is matching. If it matches, it's just due intimation to the app like this is what the command you want to give to the user, and this is the total set of algorithm which is going to be running in the app. So to now I'm Vikram, iOS development team. This is what the work I have done. For the next video, I will be sharing about what are the algorithms I have been used in the concept. And this is the machine learning app development, and the terminology I have used as machine learning app development because this app is going to work with the user's voice and the app voice, and here there is no need of any more touch options. It's totally controllable by any user voice, and the app gives response with its information in voice and as per as functionality too. And here for example project, few users has updated their resume with language prescribing experience and notice period. Here there are different types of languages like full stack, Android, iOS, and with experience 1, 2, and 3, and notice period 10, 5. So I'm going to filter just by my voice. Full stack.
Say the experience needed in number of years false.
One.
Say the notice period required in number of days true.
5.
Say apply to hire this list true.
Apply.
Thank you true.
And here we got the next page without using any user touch. Just by the voice for applying. Details.
Optional. Employee have experience in the iOS and Android. With backend using Firebase. I am doing a plugin on the progress bar for both iOS and Android in which the progress bar specifies the concept of the app. Then I have done 3 apps and have knowledge on machine learning, which made me to build an iOS app which is controlled by voice than finger touch, in which made to add tag to my role like machine learning iOS application developer and a full stack developer with backend development. My goal is to always grow with higher goals and good motivation. True.
Mail.
Mailed Skype ID for interview. True.
And the continuity of the previous video, before a company used to hire by seeing their resumes with their names, language, experience, and notice period. If a user has to see what companies are providing the opportunities for different languages with their required experience and notice period, and the user can search in this way, like different companies seeing like Capgemini, Wipro, Microsoft, Google, and Deloitte. Full stack.
Say the experience needed in number of years. True.
1.
Say the notice period required in number of days. True.
5.
Say apply to hire this list. False.
Apply.
Thank you. True.
Details.
Optional. Founder is X and co-founder SRY. Z. The company provides all the facilities including laptop in work environment. The team led is so innovative so you can see your growth with new technologies. The health insurance is given. The monthly pay slips are given. The future of the company is per growth will be in top 100 ranks in world. Thank us for listening brief about our company. Regards. This company. True.
Mail.
Mailed Skype ID for interview. True.